All right, so on this one, once again, see how I got it tipped? There's a little clip on the back side of that. Push that clip up, push this back some, and off it comes. I've got that through. Zippity-doo, zippity-day. There we go. Yeah. That one could have maybe ran another year or two. Now remember, our clip is set, so we push in and it clips in. So I'm going to tip like this. We should be set, ready to go. Just try and do this one-handed. Doesn't work very well. Okay. Let's see if I can. Sorry about that. Okay. I'm in. Pull it in. It's clipped in. We're done. Simple project. All done, all taken care of. Have a great day. Keep those good wipers on. Hopefully this set lasts another 10 years. We'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button.